So, hi everybody. I'm here to share the success story of my client Chandrika, who's with me joining in from Chennai. I'm in Gurgaon and we've been consulting online for past 3 months. How she and I met is very strange because we met through another food blogger who had posted something about something unhealthy that they were cooking, and Chandrika wrote to me and we got talking. So we met in a very strange way. But her recovery story is remarkable, and I really want her to share her journey with all of you. She came to me 3 months back with concerns like lifelong atopic eczema from the age of 3, migraines from the age of 18, knee pain, very poor sleep over last 5, 6 years, and crazy sweet cravings. And she had her end goals clearly laid out for me, when she joined in, that she wanted to reverse her eczema and the itchiness that she had, the frequent migraines that she was getting, and she wanted to sleep better, have a healthy relationship with food, etc., etc. So let's see how she's doing now because we're at the fag end of our program, and I want to hear it from her so that she can share her journey. So Chandrika, what would you like to share about your health concerns, and especially before you found me, what was the state of mind? What were you doing? Can you just share it with the viewers?
Very frustrated state of mind, very frustrated because the eczema has just been eating up my life. So there was a lull period after my teenage years, but then it came back 4 5 years ago, and it's just been consuming me night and day. And yeah, it's been tough. And the only thing I could do, which it's possibly a habit that started when the treatment started when I was 3, is go to the dermatologist, get the cortisone creams, apply it. And if it's really bad, they give you some sort of a steroid pill for a week that you have so that you can basically sleep at night. So yes, that's been the state, and it's affected my moods very significantly. So a lot of irritability, being short with people, being rude, harsh with people, because you're just irritable all the time. So that's how it's been. Yeah.
Wonderful. And you found me on a food blog, so to say. And just after one conversation, you decided that you wanted to sign up for my program. So, what made you take that decision?
So I was looking for a solution for quite some time. And as you said, I happened to read your comment that this is not healthy. And I was like, wow, who is this? She's calling a spade. And that's when I found your web page. And your number was there. And I just WhatsApped you. And you replied immediately, which was quite nice and quite surprising. I didn't expect that. And yes, we had this conversation. Would it work? Would it not work? Because as I said, alternate medicine has not worked for me. Neither has allopathic treatment. So yeah, it was just your basic honesty that, look, this is what I can do. This is how I can help you. And then I obviously had a conversation at home with my husband and my family, and I decided it's worth trying. Thank you.
So happy that you joined. So, how did your health change, Chandrika, when you started working with me? How soon did you see the results? I'd like you to just talk a bit about your transition, as transformation, so to say, in these 3 months.
Okay. So the first session we had, you said something that really stuck in my head. It was, just follow me blindly. Whatever I tell you to do, do. So that commitment from my side had to be there, because if I have decided I was going to do this, I shouldn't second guess you, right? So that was it. When you said just follow me blindly, I have done exactly that. And I have not wavered. So, and I think it's the first time in my life that I've actually not wavered on something. So,
Yes, you didn't. Yeah.
yes, that was it. And within the first 2 weeks, as I told you, my God, the relief. I can't describe the relief. I lie on the bed and I'm not itching my back, and I'm able to sleep somewhat. Was that lying down on the bed used to irritate my back a lot. And I was just not able to sleep. So it used to be that I'd sit up, watching the others sleep, my husband, my daughter, till 2 a.m., 3 a.m., and I'm just not able to do anything, you know. And yeah, it used to really irritate me, spoil my mood, and all these things. And within 2 weeks of just following you ditto every single thing that you said, yes, this just subsided. It was like magic. It just subsided. I was able to sleep. I mean, the itching came down a lot. There was hardly any itching actually within the first 2 weeks. And I think you were surprised that that it happened so fast.
So quickly,
Actually,
yeah, it was
so,
very quick.
Yeah, but I didn't waver. I mean, I just followed it. And if I had it, I'd go back to your mails or your communication, whatever it was, double check, and then, follow it. But it was amazing. I mean, that just blew me, the way that body reacted to the treatment,
Yeah, wonderful. And Chandrika, can you highlight, we've been together for 3 months, so I'm sure, you're a very well-read person and you knew a lot about nutrition before you joined me. But are there any things that you learned while you were working with me, and what were your key takeaways from all that we have done together, as a learning, so to say?
Okay. I never expected to learn that the gut was the source of my problems, because for me, gut encompassed only digestion and nothing else. And when you told me that, yeah, it was migraine, you said it is related to the gut, which was another thing that, I just couldn't believe. So learning words like gut microbiome from you, leaky gut, and all these things. Yeah, subsequently I did read up, but yeah, these were things I never knew, very frankly. So I did not realize that food was going to help solve a skin issue for me, or a migraine issue for me. And the fact that it is only through the gut and the, intestines that you have actually helped me solve all these issues, I'm blown. I mean, that was something I never expected, really, very frankly. So yeah, so that my key takeaway is what you put inside, it's 100% going to affect everything.
Yeah,
So
and there's a line
that's my key takeaway.
Yeah, and there's a line which I love to say, that what happens in the gut doesn't stay in the gut. It actually, shows up in your body in various forms, and we keep visiting one doctor after another, not realizing that the issue is coming from somewhere else. So it's very important to find the root cause. And in your case, also your immune system was a bit compromised. We had to bring it to the optimal levels, so we worked on all of that. So it's so brilliant to see the results that you've achieved, and your dedication was a lot. And thank you for sharing your journey. This is all very personal information which you've decided to make public, and share with the people who will be seeing this on my social media channels. So it takes a lot to agree to do that. So thanks a ton for sharing your journey. And I wish you a lot of good health in the future. Is there anything else you want to share? You were saying something?
No, I would say go with your gut and do what is right for your gut. That's it. That solves everything. And that's something I have learned now. And it's something I'm going to continue following. And I have to thank you for that.
Wonderful, Chandrika. Thank you so much.